What if I told you that everything you know about money is a lie? Let me explain with a quick story. Imagine a tiny village called Crypto Valley. But here is the weird part. In this village, there are no banks and no police. So, how do they stop thieves? Well, everyone carries a special notebook. Now, meet Jack and Sarah. Jack wants to send $10 to Sarah. But wait, don't scroll yet, because this gets interesting. Instead of whispering to a banker, Jack stands in the middle of the town and shouts, "I am sending $10 to Sarah." Every single villager opens their notebook and writes it down. Now you might ask, what if someone lies? Let's say a thief named Kevin tries to cheat. Kevin writes, "Jack gave $10 to Kevin." But here is the catch. When Kevin tries to spend that money, the villagers check their notebooks. And guess what happens next? They all say, "Hey Kevin, you are lying. Our notebooks don't say that." Because everyone is watching, Kevin can never steal. This is exactly what blockchain is. Those notebooks are the computer network, and that village is the world of crypto. But hold on, the story isn't over yet. Do you want to know how scammers like Kevin trick people with Ponzi schemes? Subscribe, and I will tell you in the next video.